Dear younger me, you were strong, proud, and good, but I hope you're living your journey and living your best life and keep continuing. You are so brave, you're so strong. Don't forget that. You're a good child, and I hope you keep continuing with YouTube and everything that is coming through. You're great, you're strong. Dear younger me, I just wish you were prouder and stronger and speak up for yourself, or spoke up for yourself more. But you're a strong, beautiful woman who says what's on her mind and keep continuing like that. Love you and enjoy, my dear. Inburn.
Beat down on me, beat down like a waterfall, 'cause I can take on so much more than I had ever dreamed. So beat down on me, beat down like a waterfall, 'cause